Welcome to Data Solution. Hope you are doing well. In this video, we learn about outer join. Outer join is three types: left join, right join, and full outer join. So we learn all these join in this video. In previous video, we already learned about inner join. So let's get started with left join. Here I am using free trial Snowflake account. How to set up free trial Snowflake account? You can check from Snowflake SQL playlist in my channel. One request viewer, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give it a thumbs up. It is very helpful to grow the channel. Now let's move to left join concept. This join return all row from one table and matching row from the other table. If there is no match, then the missing side is filled with null value. There are three kinds of outer join: left join, right join, and full join. So let's learn first left join. Left join retrieve all row from the left table and matching row from the right table. When not match, the null value for non-matching row on the right side. Here is the syntax. Suppose employee table is A table and department table is B table. So which are matching all records from the table A and matching records from the table B. If not match, then it's put null value for non-matching side. Okay, so let's understand by example. Here I am creating employee table. This example I will attach as a PDF in description box, so you can download from there. Okay, let's insert some value in this table. Let's see data. Here is the employee records. Okay, let's create department table. Here department ID and department name is the column, and inserting some value. Okay, let's see result. Here in this query, let's see this one. Understand. Here I am selecting employee ID from employee table. E is the alias of employee table, and employee name from the employee table, department ID from the employee table, and this as a department ID from employee table. Give his alias name for understanding. After that I select department ID from the department table. Okay, and department name from the department table. This column is optional. Here is the requirement. We need employee ID, employee name from one table and department name from the department table. So we join with first employee ID and department table, and here we put left join. So all records from the left table and matching records from the right table. Means this is main table and this is lookup table. So if I execute this statement, you can see the result. Here is the all records from the employee table and matching records from the right table. Okay, let's see result. Here if null value join with null value, here is the null value, then it's give also null value. Let's understand why. Here we retrieve all value from the employee table. This is employee table. Okay, so then we retrieve all value from the employee table, and here is the null. This employee ID match with this employee ID, so give HR. This employee ID match with this employee ID, so it's give engineering, because this is engineering department. This again 101 is department ID from the employee table and 101 department ID from the department table, then give here HR. When null value is match with this null value, match with this department null value, then also put here not cells, because it's give also null value. This is a very important concept for joining and also interview question. Okay, now let's understand right join. Right join retrieve all row from the right table and matching row from the left table with null value for non-matching row on the left side. Okay, suppose this is left table and this is right table, then it's retrieve all row from the department table and matching row from the employee table. So understand by this example. Here I am select here in this case, first we comment it and then we execute to retrieve only this value. Okay, so here I am selecting employee ID, employee name from employee table and department name from the department table and put here right join. So all records from the department table and matching records from the employee table. So if I execute this statement, you can see the result. All records from the department table and matching records from the employee table. Here sales not match with any, so here if I copy this result, then you can see here null value, here null and null give null value results. This is null, this is null, this is null. Here this is match with, so it's retrieve left side matching records from the employee table. You can see the result. Okay, now let's move to full outer join. Full outer join retrieve all row from the board table and matching row where the possible and include null value there is no matched. Here is the full outer join syntax. We put to simply full outer join and this is table A and this is table B. Suppose employee is table A and B is department. So retrieve all records from the board table. Where is not match, then put their null value. Okay, here is department. Department, this one. Okay, this the column name, so don't simply understand, and this is the syntax of full outer join. Okay, here selecting same column, employee ID, employee name from employee table and department name from the department table, and this is the joining concept. If you execute with all result, all column, then you can see here when not match there put here null value and where match then put a respective value. Okay, so if comment this column then execute, you can see here 6, here you can see Sivaraman has employee ID null value, so it's there is a null value. Okay, and Alex Smith 7, here is 100 but here is not 100 available, so putting here null value. Okay, sales, here sales join with null value, so it's give result null value. Okay, it's not give 6 employee ID 6 and Raman, because null value join with any null value, it's give null value results as a null value. Okay, so this is all about in this video for outer join. In next video we'll learn about cross join, self join and some other joining concept. So please like this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, please put a question in comment box. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.